all day, 'cause we both deserve it all.
Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Hannah, and for today's video, I have another haul for you guys. These clothes are from the brand MICAS, and I have 5 different outfits here for 5 different occasions. I will show you guys each of them, and I will show you how I style them. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to know what I have here, then go ahead and keep watching.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.
The first item that I have here is this line pattern cutout slit knit maxi dress. I got this on the size extra small, and the price of this one is $38. This dress has a cutout design. It has a gold metal detail. It has long sleeves and high slit on the side. It also comes with 2 colors, black and white. This dress is very beautiful. The quality is really amazing. It's really thick, but it's really soft and very comfortable to wear. This dress really gives me a really nice fit. It looks classy, very sophisticated. I can style this dress with gold accessories and black knee-high boots. Also, when it gets really cold, you can style this dress with black coat on top. This is a perfect dress for a party or if you have a date night. Next, I got this pleated mini skirt. I got it on the size small, and the price of this one is $15. This skirt comes in 3 different colors: brown, white, and black. It's made on 100% polyester. It has a zipper on the side and an attached shorts inside. This skirt is so cute. It has a really good quality as well. It's made well. It's very nice and very comfortable to wear. And what I love it the most is that it has shorts inside. So it looks like this. I really love this skirt. You can create so many outfits with this skirt for fall and winter. So I styled this skirt with a black top. You can style it with a long sleeve top. And then I paired it with a beige blazer and a knee-high boots. It was a really cute outfit. It's very perfect for fall, very classy and sophisticated. The third item that I have here is this asymmetrical ruched knit long sleeve top. I got it on the size extra small, and the price of this one on the website is $20. This long sleeve top has an asymmetrical design and ruched detail. It's made on 95% polyester and 5% spandex, and it comes in 2 different colors, black and white. This top is a versatile top. It just looks like this, plain and white, but I really love it because it has so many styles. It has off-shoulder, a ruched detail on the side, and also it's like off-shoulder here, and this one is like, you know, like one sleeve style. I really love this top because you can wear this top with a high-waisted pants or even a skirt. The only thing that I don't love about this top, it's the material that they use. It's a little bit see-through, but other than that, the top is really soft and very comfortable to wear. Next, I got this rib knit long sleeve midi dress. I got it on the color khaki on the size small, and the price of this one on the website is $35. This dress has a V neckline. It's long sleeves and buttons on the front. It's made on 80% polyester and 20% nylon. The dress is not sheer and comes in 2 colors. Such a really nice dress to have for fall. The color is perfect for fall. It's very soft. It's very comfortable to wear, and it's very warm. It's a perfect dress for going out, like if you're going for shopping or a coffee date. Also, this dress is very nice to wear even just inside the house. It's really soft. It's very nice and cozy. For the final items on this haul, I got this straight leg suit pant set. I got it on the size extra small in the color khaki, and the price of this one is $38. This set has vest that has notch lapel and tie back detail. The pants has 2 pockets on the front. This set is not see-through and it's made on 100% polyester. This is a great set for work. I styled this one with a nice accessories and I paired it with clear heels. But for fall, I would style this one with a beige blazer as well. You can also mix and match this set. You can pair this top with just a blue denim jeans, and for the pants, you can wear a different top with this one. This set is really beautiful in person. It has a really good quality as well. It's soft and a little bit stretchy. So guys, that was it for today's haul, and those are the pieces that I got from the brand MICAS. If you guys are interested on one of the items that I showed you guys earlier, I will leave all the links down in the description box, and please don't forget to check out their website. And if you guys find something interesting and if you want to buy something, I have a 12% discount code for you guys. Feel free to use that one so you can save a little bit of money. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye everyone!